Trash. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today on this video, if you have seen Toy Story 4 or the trailer, you'll know that there is a new character called Forky, and today I'm going to be making him for you. So if you haven't seen Toy Story 4, it's actually a great movie, to be honest. I think you should go and see it. And I can't really talk about Forky because in case someone, likes Toy Story, I'm not going to spoil the movie. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we are going to need a spork, a lollipop stick for the legs, some googly eyes, some Play-Doh to stick the spork and the feet together, some blue clay for the mouth, and also some red clay for the eyebrows, and a red coloured one of these things for the arms. Okay, I'm going to change it up and use some blue Play-Doh instead of the clay. Alright, let's go. Okay, so I've attempted to make the mouth, but it's a bit difficult because I got to make it very thin because it's a small spork. I got to make it very thin and small piece of clay here, and it's just a bit difficult. But there we go. I might change it later, but it depends how it looks at the end. Okay, so now I've added the eyes, and to be honest, it's already starting to look like Forky. Trash. Okay, so here we go, just added the eyebrow on, and look at that. Okay, so now I've stuck the that clay onto the spork, and now we're going to use this and make the feet. Here we go, just made the feet, put them on, and look at that. That looks amazing. It's very, very fragile, but there we go, look at that. So here we go. All we've got to do now is attach the arms. Okay, so I have this packet here of all of these, and what I'm going to do is I might trim them because they're a bit too big, because it's a very small spork, and I'm just going to wrap this around the body of Forky. Then we will be done. Okay, so we have just attached the arms. I've attempted to make them in the shape of a hand, but it's quite difficult. Okay, so there we go. Also, guys, one more thing we need to do is write Bonnie's name on the bottom of Forky's feet. So let's just quickly write it here. Okay, now since I don't have the best handwriting in the world, I've managed to do it okay. So there we go. We have Bonnie. Now I was going to put these back on feet. Okay, so here we go, guys. We now have Bonnie on the feet of Forky. Okay, so Forky is now complete, and it is extremely fragile. So, like, we have to wait for this Play-Doh to dry. Otherwise, either the feet will come out or the body will. So yeah, I've attempted to make the little hands. I'll probably try and make them look like hands. Yeah, so this is kind of a cool little project that maybe kids would like to watch if they've seen Toy Story 4. So here you go, Forky. And also just thank you to all of my subscribers who have come over to the... Wait, Forky, no!
I'm trash.
Oh my God. Forky, you are a toy! Anyway, as I was saying, thank you to all my new subscribers that have come over to this channel, and I would also really appreciate it if you would share this video with your friends, and also drop a like on the video. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was just kind of something a little cool to do since Toy Story 4's come out, and I thought, like, you know, little kids might like this project. So thank you all for coming and watching this video, and I'll see you next time with another video with Charlie the Maker.